Are you looking for an affordable, reliable, close to the beach, and ready to move in apartment? If your answer is yes, you have come to the right place. This beautiful complex is very close to the beach, with all necessary amenities just within walking distance. Welcome back to our channel, and today I'm here to show you one-bedroom apartment in this beautiful complex. It's brand new complex and construction is newly finished, but the people starting their new life in Kestel region. The complex offers a swimming pool, children's pool, beautiful landscape garden, fitness center, sauna, Turkish bed, generator, parking lots area, and both day and night camera system. The complex consists of 2 blocks, and apartments with variable size are for sale. The one-bedroom apartment size 60 square meters, including a living room, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a balcony. The apartments come with granite countertops in the kitchen, ceramics flooring in all rooms in the apartments, high-quality cabinets and dryer in the both kitchen and bathrooms, PVC windows that offer sound and heat insulation, sound insulation in all walls and spotlights, steel entrance door, high-quality doors in all rooms, aluminium railings and glass on the balconies. These apartments are great opportunities for investors. You can use holiday home or as an investment. For more details and information, you can contact us. And see you in the next video.